everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. As you see from the intro, I do unboxings, and in this video I will be doing another unboxing. I'm very excited because it's a new box for me. This is a candle box. I think it's got a few more surprises in it, but I'm very excited. I've been waiting a while. This I actually ordered a month ago. It took a month to get here. So I'm glad that I finally got it. But if this is something that you would like to see, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get right into the box. This is from a company called Evenlite, E-V-E-N-L-I-T-E. And I believe it's a company based in Scotland. The box does come from the UK, so that was one of the reasons it took so long to get here. I can't tell you off the top of my head what the monthly charge for the box is, because I have now been charged for 2 boxes and both charges have been a different price. So I will put the information down below. I did subscribe through Cratejoy, so you can find this company through Cratejoy. This is the November box that I ordered. Just came in a plain old, it came in a plastic mailing envelope, but the box itself is just this plain white box. They wrote Merry Christmas on it. Okay, and I know you're supposed to get a candle, you're supposed to get a shirt, a t-shirt, and like 1 or 2 other items. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like inside. And they've got a little insert here. It says Evenlite November subscription. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 items in here. They list the items, but they don't give prices. I believe, if I remember correctly, that this is like a small family-owned subscription business. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Let's pull out the t-shirt first. Now you do give them your size, and you also give them your birth date, your zodiac birth sign, that kind of information. So this is, let's see, where's the front? This is the front. So I like the color of the t-shirt. This is just a blue t-shirt with a little snowman in the corner. It's a cute little snowman. Unfortunately, it's after Christmas now. It's actually almost New Year's, so it's a little late for me to be wearing this, but it's nice to have. Can wear it around the house. So this, it feels nice. It is larger than I thought, so this is a large. I kind of feel like maybe I could have gone with a medium, so we'll see. So we got, that is the shirt. Now we have these wax melts that come in this little container. And let's see what the scent of these melts are supposed to be. So the shirt was Happy Snowman t-shirt. It says a high quality printed t-shirt with a cute wintry snowman. These are festive scented wax melts. Festive wax melts, each with its own unique scent. There's creamy vanilla, baked apple, and candy cane scented. So let's see if this opens really easily. So, oh my goodness, this smells really good. Unfortunately, I don't have one of the little burners for the wax melts yet, so I'm gonna have to get that for these. But these do smell so good. Let's see if I can smell the difference, because they're all kind of together, so. It's really, really hard to smell the difference, I think, because they've all been in the same plastic container. So maybe when you're actually burning them in the burner, maybe you'll be able to distinguish the different scents. But they smell really good. So, like those. Let's move on to the candle. Comes wrapped like this. So it's wrapped really nicely. Okay, so it's got a seal on it. This is the candle. And it is White Winter. This is what the inside looks like. It is actually topped with real fruit. So White Winter candle, white chocolate and raspberry scented with red fruit topping. Remember to trim your whisk to 1/2 centimeter before burning. So, it's got like it's like a wooden, I don't know. That's interesting. I know you can't really see it, but it smells really good. I smell the white chocolate and I can smell the raspberry. That is really good. The lid is not the greatest. It kind of just sits there, so it doesn't really. So I feel like that could have been a little bit better, but I like the little wax seal. Let's put that down there. All right, and the last item is, I believe, a tea. So it also comes wrapped like this. This is, they just called it festive. Oh, they do have an expiration date on the back, and it says it contains nuts. So that's good. But this is the loose leaf tea. And comes with this little cork topper, which is nice. Oh, this is an orange cinnamon tea. I can smell it right away without even looking at the paper. Oh, that smells wonderful. All right, let's see. This is turmeric and cinnamon festive tea. Ingredients, there's turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, orange peel, and red peppercorns. It says traces of nuts. So I don't know what nuts are in there, but I like that they do at least let you know. But that smells so good. Oh, I could just like take the cork off that and sit there and smell that all day. But all right, so this is my first Evenlite subscription unboxing. I do have one more box coming that I've already paid for. Now, unfortunately, I did cancel this box because it took so long to get the box, and I wasn't getting really clear communication from the company itself. Cratejoy had emailed or contacted them. I contacted them asking for like a tracking number so that I could see where my package was. Didn't really hear anything back. So I just, out of frustration of waiting so long for it, I went ahead and canceled. We'll see how the second box goes. If the second box is just as good, I may resubscribe, who knows. But the other thing too that kind of turned me off from it was the fact that the subscription cost was different between the first and second box. So they tell you that it costs one thing on Cratejoy, but the charges were different. It wasn't a major difference. It was a few dollars, but it still was a different charge. So I didn't understand why they did that. But anyway, so that will do it for the Evenlite. Now, I just really quickly wanted to tag on a little mini makeup haul after this. It's only one item. But I was waiting for it for my last makeup haul video. It didn't come, just came today. So we're gonna quickly just share that. This is from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics, and it is an eyeshadow palette. It is their Planchette palette. So came in a box like this, just a white box. And when you open it up, that's what it is inside. And the palette comes in this box, and I believe it's cruelty-free and vegan. and looks like this, which is really cool. When you open it, it's got the nice mirror in it. Mirror does not take up the whole space, which I like. And these are the colors. I really like that glitter up there. And then that, it looks like a highlighter maybe at the bottom. So I'm not gonna swatch any of these right now just because I don't want this video to be that long. But I know that this is a good company. I've seen many other unboxings of it, so I'm really excited now to have this. So this is my first Spoiled Lips cosmetic palette. So that will do it for this video. Let me know what you thought of both items down in the comments below. Do you think that the Evenlite unboxing was a good box with the candle and the tea? Is that something that you would be interested in subscribing to? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And then what did you think of the palette? Other than that, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I would really, really love it. Thank you so much. And like the video. Again, I would appreciate it. And I hope everybody's staying happy, staying healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.